welcome back to my channel. It's Inekayy here. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna do a little transformation, but I decided might as well make this video. That's all I've been watching on YouTube these past couple of days. Don't mind this on my face. I started my hair, but it dawned on me, why not just do this video? So I already recorded a video. I still haven't edited it yet, so that'll be coming soon. I don't know when, but soon. Yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and come back when I'm done. I started this yesterday, but I just didn't have the energy. Yesterday I had to finish my homework that was due at 11:59, and I was just getting too distracted by everything that was going on. So I'm gonna try, hopefully I finish it today. I need to finish it today because today is Saturday. I have to clean my bathroom. I was taking a bath, shaving, doing my nails. I'll be doing them myself because balling on the budget. And then at the end, I'm just doing my makeup stuff and get ready. Y'all gonna see. Yeah. Update. I'm out of here. I don't have enough for this top part. But hey mom, let me some chocolate. But usually I've been getting a bowl, a burrito. But today I decided to get a bowl. Not the lettuce coming out. So what I usually get is chicken, white rice. I'm just saying. Chicken, white rice, lettuce, sour cream, and cheese. Oh, and beans, and the salsa, the red hot sauce. Not the salsa, but the sauce. I don't know if that's what it's called, but yeah, I think I'm onto something right now. So I just close it back up. I've never seen nobody do this before. Take it, shake it up. And let's see how it looks. I hope this worked. I mean, there's no other reason why I should. Let's speed through this. Oh yes, it's giving me what it's supposed to give. Alright guys, so I'm going to the hair store right now, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart to get some fake nails and some other stuff that my mom wanted me to get. Oh, and I need to fill the tires with air. So let me give you, in the meantime, I'm gonna give you a little story time. That happened to me yesterday. Yesterday was just too much for me. I just couldn't. Why does this person only have one freaking headlight? That's not okay. But anyways, yesterday I was trying to make some pasta, you know, cause pasta, why not? So I was trying to make some pasta yesterday. The first round, it said the recipe or the directions or whatever said to let the pasta boil in the tomato sauce and water for 15 minutes. So I put the dry uncooked pasta in there and I let it do its thing. And then when after like 13 minutes gone by, I'm smelling something in the air. I'm smelling something in the air. I'm just like, what is that smell? What is burning? And then lo and behold, upset with myself, but and then when I tried to open the window, I forgot that the alarm was off. So it started going crazy. Like crazy. I'm gonna just go because nobody's coming. But anyways, I'm not trying to drive fast, well too fast. Because one of the tires is almost flat. So I'm trying to be careful. But hurry up at the same time to find a gas station. Just because I need to find a gas station and fill up this freaking tire. And I don't know where the gas stations are, so I'm not trying to fly past the gas station. Let me slow the heck down. No. So yeah, just turn up the radio, listen to this music. It's not even, you know, freaking music is playing. Freaking I hate it here. Sweetie, take it down. The election is over. How do I get out of here? We made it. Racetrack, here I come.
To make you see that there's levels. Are you ready?
I just came home. I just came back from Walmart and the hair store. Got a couple stuff. I got some. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. It's really the fact that I thought that I was recording, but it wasn't. Anyways, I got the hair that I needed. 2 BDs, a black and white, as you can see. And then these Tiffin Beauty Supply $8 thing. To be honest, I was really considering returning it. Just no refund. So I couldn't even return it. Good thing I didn't buy the one from Walmart as well as that one. So anyways, I'm gonna try to quickly finish doing my hair. Look at this sun, baby. I'm gonna try to finish doing my hair. Then I'm gonna do my nails and then I'm gonna do my makeup. No, I should take a bath. And then do my, should I even do that today? I don't know, I think I'm gonna do the nails and the makeup tomorrow. I'm gonna take the bath today and do the nails and the makeup tomorrow. Yeah, that's the plan. All right, so what we're gonna do now, what I'm gonna do now is lotion with some shea butter. Must be feeling extra soft. And right now I'm sitting on a pile of clothes on the ground. And I took a bath. I decided to take a bath. Did all the stuff I need to do, exfoliate all of that, shave my legs and stuff. And then I took a shower and I did all of this in my mom's bathroom because it's just nicer. So why not? I also need to wash my face when I finish lotioning myself. And then I'll get back to you guys. Alright. So this could be crooked, but let's just hope that it doesn't fall. So I have to be real careful. I'm getting this. But in my mom's vitamin C serum. It has a hyaluronic acid in there too and retinol. Witch hazel. Vitamin E, vitamin C. Okay, that's what I need to be using. Alright guys, so it's literally a couple days later right now. I'm trying to put on these nails. It is, what time is it? It's 8:30 at night. And today I went on the road. And I had this cute little outfit on. So I was like, I'm feeling myself. That's what matters about this transformation. Right? It don't matter. I don't have to wear makeup or anything. I was gonna do my makeup, but all these days, this sun just wasn't showing out. Right now, I'm cutting my nails. I hate my nails being that short, but what is what it is for today. So this is the last part of the video. I didn't record. I didn't record me doing my makeup or getting ready, but I'll add in the pictures. I'll add in the pictures that I took, like, on the side or something. But I really like it. I took a couple of pictures right here. I took some outside. So this is my nails. I did my nails like that. I did my nails last night and you guys saw. So yeah. This is the final countdown. I like it. And I borrowed my mom's jackets for the outfits, and I borrowed her purse. But I really like how they turned out. They're so cute. Anyway, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, it's okay. Maybe one of my other videos might pique your interest. It's gonna be in that iCard over there. Should be. But I'll see you guys next week.